Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants. We are starting off with this beautiful hanging basket. This is a shade basket. So what you see here are double impatiens, and they are from proven winners. These are the Polka double impatiens, and we call this basket our Polka Dot Basket. The vine hanging down is a lime creeping jenny, also called Lismachia. In our area, it is actually a hardy perennial as a ground cover planted in the ground, but it also looks fantastic in shade planters and shade hanging baskets. So yeah, they're just starting to bloom. Impatiens are a little later than other spring annuals, but we really love it, and I think it's just super pretty. We have a bunch of these in stock, and yeah, you come by and take a look. It's in a 12-inch basket. Again, it's for the shade, so morning sun is fine, and the sun after dinner is also okay. It won't give it a sunburn, but that noon to 5 sun, direct sun, is just too intense for these. Our next item for today's top 5 is this beautiful Diascia. We have a whole bunch of these, and this color is stunning. Look at that bright orange. It is just starting to get some flowers on it. We have a whole bunch of these in different colors. We have white, we have orange, we have a couple shades of pink, and this is a Trinity series, so it's more upright. Grow this in part sun to full sun. You can grow it in some shade as well, like part shade. Make sure that you're getting some light hitting that leaf every day for it to like thrive and do its absolute best. All of our Diascia this year is new series. Some of the series we grew before were discontinued, but I'm really happy with the color on these and the flower size. And yeah, they're looking really good. Our third item for today's top 5 is a Verbena. This Verbena you can grow pretty much in shade all the way to full sun. And it is a Vanessa lime. Isn't that color cool? It is like the super pale yellow with lime edging. The Vanessa series is the most sun and heat tolerant series of Verbena. So while other series of Verbenas might stop flowering for a while in the summer, the Vanessa series will keep going for you. So really great to mix in planters and in hanging baskets. Our fourth item for today's top 5 plants is a eucalyptus. Now this is a new type of eucalyptus we first saw last summer at the big greenhouse conference we go to in Ohio. It's called Cultivate, and they have this huge area of new varieties, and this eucalyptus caught our eye. It made a massive planter. So it says online that these can get really, really tall. I think in our climate, they'll probably max out at about 2 to 3 feet tall. And they have that amazing eucalyptus smell. It's called Eucalyptus Styx. It has a different shaped leaf, but it still smells like so good. And we just got a few of these in this year to try. We have a couple of trays, but hot and dry. So if you had like a big herb planter, you could put this in. It could be your thriller. If you have a spot that's super hot and dry somewhere that's like on the south side or the west side, it would do perfect as your thriller in a container. And yeah, it just smells so good. So Eucalyptus Styx, super excited to try it ourselves this summer. Our final item for today's top 5 plants is Solanum. And this is the green Solanum. We've shown it before. It's also called the Star of Bethlehem. And it gets these beautiful white little flowers, an abundance of them. Now, this can be grown as a climbing vine. You could attach it to a trellis or a pergola or an archway. They are very vigorous. Once they're transplanted out, you're going to get a lot of growth on them. They are wild and chaotic. So it will go down, it will go up. You can train it to go up on your archways or your trellises. Grow this in, honestly, shade all the way to full sun. It is such an amazing vigorous vine. We have lots of these in stock. If you haven't tried this before, you might really enjoy this one in your garden this year. Thanks for watching today's top 5 plants, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.